come true. And I wonder if you know.
What's up, YouTube? What it do? It's your boy Keep It Slow Trucking. I'm in a pilot today. It's the first of the month, November 1st, and I'm starting the day off with a shower. So we're doing a reset right now. I already did my laundry, so I got clean clothes. I figured why not get clean myself. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, and while you're here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like, and leave a comment. All right, so I just got out of the shower, but I didn't have my toiletry bag with me. But we're gonna head back to I'm gonna head back to the truck right now, and
You two of them hoes at the same time?
and probably gonna just watch a movie. I haven't folded my clothes yet, so I gotta do that too. So pretty chill night, you know, it's Dallas, cool temperature outside. Good morning, YouTube, just waking up. And as you can see, I haven't brushed my teeth yet. None of my face stuff hasn't been washed yet. So if I look crazy, that's because I just woke up. But we're still at the truck stop, a pilot in Dallas, Texas. I'm about to go to the bathroom right now. I got my toiletry bag this time. I'm gonna go wash my face up, brush my teeth, all that stuff, get some food to eat. And I'm gonna just show you what we're doing in the morning time when you're doing a reset. So got my boy playing the game right here. Yeah, the boy pretty good on the game, I'm not gonna lie. There you go. About to get out of here, use the bathroom like I said. It's a beautiful morning. Not really, it's very cloudy today. Look like it's about to rain actually. We have an Amazon driver here, at least like us. We have an Amazon yard like a couple miles down the street actually. We're not too far from it. So I'm gonna get my day started. So, fresh out the bathroom and stuff, I figured I need to get some food in my stomach to start my day. So I'm going to the same spot I always go to. Jamaican me hungry, I be here all the time. Yeah, it's a real Jamaican spot. I always get the jerk chicken, white rice, and curry potatoes. So if y'all ever in Dallas by the pilot, I recommend you guys come to Jamaican Me Hungry. I highly recommend the jerk chicken. They got Jamaican drinks in here too. All right, so here's the food. Comes with a little jerk sauce on the side. So here's the food.
The next day.
And right here, guys, is the start of where all my problems happened. First, it was a little light snow, but then we got trapped in New Mexico, and it was much heavier snow. We actually got snowed in. This is just a video to show you how thick the snow was and how deep it was. I'm not used to snow. I'm from Jamaica, live in Florida, but when I saw this snow here, it was just the most snow I've ever seen in my life. As you can see, I'm pretty much my whole foot is stuck in the snow. And we parked here the night before, and then we ended up getting snowed in the very next day. Ended up being stuck for like 2 days. There was actually a snowstorm that had passed through New Mexico, and it caused a bunch of traffic jams. And at this truck stop, luckily we were able to get there, but trucks were getting stuck coming in, trucks were getting stuck coming out. Here's a truck right now that was trying to leave, and he couldn't leave. You know, he kept on going forward and then sliding back because of the ice. Eventually, he was able to leave, mainly because of the help of other truckers that were in the area. You know, they were trying to facilitate people to get them out and to get them in. And they pretty much, every time a truck came in, it just kept on leaving it was like a queue of trucks and cars trying to get into the truck stop, but it was also the exit.
The next day.
checking back in, guys. We got 10 more hours to go. 10 hours and 3 minutes, so 9 hours really. And you see the sun's coming out now. It's 6:28 in the morning. And I'm currently we're in Ozark, Arkansas. Ozark, Arkansas. And I see a truck stop coming up in 3.4 miles. So I'm gonna stop there, like I said, and get my sunscreen on. Workman's Travel Center is where I'll be at. You guys been there before? Let me know. This truck stop seemed a little busy today in the morning. There's a stop right here, right inside. Like I said, wash my face and stuff. And I might check out the restaurant too. So here's the restaurant. It smells good in here too. Yes, ma'am.
No sausage or bacon or cheese?
Can I get 2 eggs, please? So y'all just saw me buy this sandwich. It was only $4 and some change. I think it's a pretty good price. I got my sunscreen on. Trying to get back in the truck and do what it do. Shout out to Arkansas for the good breakfast. I haven't had it yet, but you know, this is the South, so I know it's gonna be good. Okay, so I just stopped. I'm at a pilot right now. I'm still in Arkansas. To be exact, I'm in, I think somewhere close to Little Rock. Yeah, North Little Rock. I'm trying to get some fuel because my fuel's hella low. So let's get some fuel and then get it back on the highway. Pretty busy here today, but it's the morning time, so that's always expecting, you know. I'm at pump 20. Let's not forget that. Alright, so just like that, I'm all done. Now time to get up out of here, pull up to the exit, then get back on the highway. Let's see how far we are from our destination. About to be there in about 7 hours. And let's see how much drive time I got left. Got 6 hours of drive time, so I definitely won't be able to make it out. Make it there, I mean. Y'all can see it's pretty packed over here. And here we are, guys. My ship is almost done. I'm in Birmingham, Alabama. I'm in the city. And I already went through Memphis to get here. That was always a good city to go through. I got 36 minutes on my clock left. So I'm gonna wake my co-driver up in about the next, I'm gonna give him a 15-minute head start. So I'm gonna wake him up 15 minutes before I get there. So that way he can get dressed, you know, we don't have to sit there and wait for us to switch, you know. We'll both be already up and ready to switch. So here we are in Birmingham. It's pretty nice. I know I don't come through here a lot, you know, I think about it. But it ain't bad as some states though. Some states is really bad traffic. It's not that bad right now. Tennessee has bad traffic, especially around Nashville. A lot of traffic. Birmingham, not so bad. But yeah, hang 10, guys. I'm gonna be at the truck stop soon, and then I'll do a switch. We're finally here at the truck stop. Kind of don't want to stop in the fuel line, but I mean, I'm only brushing my teeth, so I'll brush my teeth right out here by the steps. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna let my boy do what he gotta do. I'll just keep track of the the truck and where it's at and stuff like that.
The next day.
What's going on again, YouTube? So it's your boy, Keep It Slow Trucking, and we are in Dallas, Texas. Well, we're about to be there in about 48 minutes. As y'all can see, I'm driving on a road with less traffic than the one right next to me. But I was on that road. I was on that highway. That's the 20 West. And I was on that road, guys. I saw the traffic and I said, I can't do this. Google Maps was able to show an access road that avoided all that traffic. So basically, I'm just using the access road to get through all this traffic right now. It's a little tight road, but I got confidence in my... What's going on, YouTube? This is day 3. The last video you guys saw was a quick clip. I was in Dallas, Texas, dropped off a load. There was so much traffic that I had to find an access road. Thankfully, I found it at the right time. Google Maps can be your friend if you use it right. But I dropped off that load. I didn't have any space on my phone, so I ran out of space. I cleared some space last night, and I have a lot of space now. So I'm gonna shoot a video today for you guys. All right, so welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy, Keep It Slow Trucking. Just finished freshening up in the Pilot. We're finally back in Florida. I'm not sure how long we'll be here for, but we are bringing the load from Texas to Florida. And we're in Florida right now. I'm probably like a couple hours away from dropping off. And yeah, a couple hours from dropping off actually. But yeah, yesterday you had a pretty good day. Like I said, we had a lot of traffic when I was coming into Texas. I'm not sure what happened, but I was able to find the access road to bypass a lot of that traffic. Then later that night, we had a load to pick up, picked it up and brought it here, and now we're in Florida. So I'm gonna make this video like the end of it. This is a load from Texas to Florida. Got a little breakfast sandwich right here, and then I'm gonna film again when I'm in Florida and probably dropping off. Not in Florida, but you know, when I'm dropping off the load. All right, guys, voila, just like that, we're here. We're in Okala, Florida, at Amazon HTP9 or something like that. Put the window up. I know it's kind of loud already as it is. So this trailer got to go to wall space 115. And I'm pretty sure I'm on the wrong side of this facility, so I probably got to turn around and go back on the other side. Alright, so here's wall space 115. Gotta go ahead and swing around so I can back up the trailer. And now the last thing I'll do now, I'm gonna unhook the trailer from the truck and take photos for my job so they can see that I dropped it off in the right spot, and then we're good to go. So I'm not sure what my next load will be or what my next move will be, but I'm done with this load and hopefully I get a little free time so I can go home because I'm not too far from my house right here. So yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, and excuse this, guys, our tape, you know, our sticker's been coming off. We try to tape it on. Our job told us to use tape. The tape wasn't holding. They said to use glue. I doubt the glue would have helped too. So we're gonna go to the shop, back to the office, and get a new, I guess, sticker.
All right.
Bobtailing out.
Your license plate number, please.
Yeah, license plate number is gonna be 3677991.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And are you bobtailing out?
Bobtailing out, yeah.
All right, you're all set to go, sir. Drive safe, okay? Have a good day.
Thank you. Same to you. All right, guys. So I just got my empty move. I'm about to go 5 miles away to pick it up. And I just checked the Relay app. We do have another load assigned to us, Davenport to Missouri. I definitely had that run a few times already. Picks up at 1:30 in the morning. Right now it's 5:17. I thought we were gonna have time to go to the office and get a new sticker, but the office won't be open at 1:30 in the morning. So I don't know how we're gonna get that. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick up this empty right now. All right, so I just got here, and basically they got me picking up an empty rental trailer, MGR, right here. Trailer's all hooked up. Now I want to make sure that it's hooked up under the lock and jaw and kingpin correctly. You guys can't see, but I can. It's pretty good. Where's the landing gear? All right, so they just told me to bring it over here by the yard, basically where they have all the trucks parked up at. They're gonna have a office person come over here and bring the stickers. So there's a little basketball court right here. You know what I'm saying? I haven't played ball in a while, but I figured I'll come over here and give it a shot. What's going on, YouTube? So fast forward to, it is now exactly 7-11 Monday night. I'm still in Florida. The stickers got put on my truck nice and neat. I got my load in Okala, and I'm on the way to Dallas, Texas right now. And I'm right outside of, I'm actually about to leave Florida and get into Alabama in a second. But I've been in this traffic for a little while now. And it seems to be, I'm gonna be in it for a little while longer. And I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but I think it's an accident. There's been a few cop cars driving back and forth. So someone may have got injured here, and I hope they're okay. But I think I see the accident coming up right now. So if I see it, I'll let you guys see it too. And, you know, hopefully we can say a prayer for somebody that got hurt. All right, so I'm not sure what's going on, but they blocked the other side. Oh, a truck got turned over is what happened. If you guys can see, the truck flipped. Came off of this highway, went onto the opposite highway. Oh, fuck. Holy. Alright guys, so I'm pulling into the Oasis truck stop. Oasis Travel Center. Alright, so last time I was recording, I think it was the accident, but some of it got cut off because it ran out of space. But I just cleared some space out, and now I can show you guys a little bit of how this place looks. Like I said, my first time coming in here though, I always wanted to come over here. I just never had a chance to. YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Keep It Slow Trucking, and we in Las Vegas, Nevada. Check it out, we got the Bellagio, the Aria Hotel right here. Literally on the strip, we got the Leno, all the nice hotels right here. Oh yeah, we here. We in Vegas, baby. So we actually about to go to the to Caesar's Palace right now. First time going there, I'm gonna go check it out, see what it's like. We just got a load dropping off in Las Vegas, and now we got a little bit of free time, so we're gonna show you guys around town, you know, trucker style, you feel me? Now look at that beautiful view right here, the Aria Hotel. Y'all don't know this, but I'm a big Kanye West fan, and Kanye actually was singing about this hotel in one of his songs. So I'd love to come visit this hotel. I actually looked up the prices for a room. For one night only, that room is $433 for one night. And that's a basic room. For the suite, that suite is for 2 bands per night. Yeah, they really like that over here. Penthouse room and everything. Aria Hotel. So like I said, we walk into the Caesar Palace, and that's gonna be about another maybe 25 minutes away from us. So we should be there pretty soon. We're gonna just sightsee on the way there. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of beautiful out here. They got little Paris right here. That's so cool. So we're almost at the Caesar's Palace, and right here is Bellagio, side by side, like best friends. And right by the Eiffel Tower restaurant. All right, so to get to Caesar's Palace, we got to go through the Bellagio. So let's go through it right now. The Rugrats jacket on, that was cool. So basically, we're gonna walk through this casino to get to Caesar's Palace. So here's a few slots they got in the Bellagio. The Bellagio. You know what I'm saying? There's a few slots they got. I love how beautiful the restaurants are here. But yeah, we still got some more slot machines. It's like this whole place is slot machines. It's like they have a lot of slot machines over here. Number one type shit. Another restaurant. Lago. A very nice restaurant. They don't seem that packed right now. Oh yeah, it's the morning time, I forgot. So we got the Dior store. Chanel's coming in, reopening soon. And then we got a Louis store. I might go in there and buy me some Louis V, who knows? So this is the view when you walk out of the Bellagio. Basically got a little crosswalk. What's up, man? And then you go to the palace right here. We got Hell's Kitchen right here by the one and only Gordon Ramsay. Caesar's Palace is right here. So here we are at the Caesar's Palace. We should have walked down here, bro. They got the fountain and stuff. Caesar's Palace. It is beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. Like a palace for real, for real. Alright guys, so I've been here for 1 hour and so far I made more money than I took out the ATM, so that's a win, right? Here's my chips, my coins, whatever they call them. I'm not a gambling man, but when in Vegas, do as the Vegans do, right? You feel me? Alright, so I don't normally play slots, but if you do play slots, guys, you gotta pick one that has a grand prize of like some crazy money, because that's how you know no one has won yet. And the chance of you winning, it could be pretty high, okay? So I might play this one, I might not, I don't know yet. Press both. One more dollar? Alright, baby.
I'm gonna put all these dollars in there.
Fuck it. Might as well, right?
Hold on. Crazy after dollar bills. No,
So right here, right?
you're already on the dollar bill.
Best play?
Yeah.
Alright guys, you about to see this shit live. You about to see this shit live right now.
You got a dollar.
Oh yeah.
Go.
So what happens now, guys?
Man, bro.
I'm trying to let it spin, bro. I just pressed it by accident and I ain't gonna cap. This shit dumb. Fuck it.
The boat is gonna spin on its own.
You win some, you lose some, guys. Alright, watch my boy Devon try to get this shit real quick. So what he doing? 36 cents. Okay. Bro, listen. What we need to do is hit the high roller lounge. Do it in there, I'm telling you, bro. The high roller lounge is where it's at. So I just found the legendary Gordon Ramsay restaurant. Let's see what they got going on in here. Alright, so we both just cashed out. I got my money right here. He got his money right there. Everybody go to Bellagio, get some food and call it a day. Maybe. Alright, so it's time to leave Caesar's Palace. And we're gonna see what's next, what's good to eat. Probably at the Bellagio, however you say that restaurant name. They got a Maybach right here. Maybach. All right, so my boy just chose to stay in the casino. He's in the Bellagio. I chose to take my ass to the truck. So hopefully he makes some more money. You know what I'm saying? I would hate for him to come back to the truck saying that he lost some bread. So I'm about to go back to the truck right now. Probably buy a pizza and call it a night, call it a day. I've already drove for 11 hours, so my clock is done. I'm ready to go to sleep. You know what I'm saying? Probably play the game a little bit, and that's about it. What's up, YouTube? So we left Vegas. I think we're in Arizona right now, picking up a load, and we're gonna go to Davenport, Florida again. But you know, it's time for a shower. So I'm locked and loaded, ready to go, and I'll see y'all in a few.
Come true, and I wonder.